The water tank in front of the truck is not working properly. The owner was going to replace it, but the mechanic said it could be repaired. The water tank is clogged, and the mechanic said it could be repaired. How did they do it? In order to fix the water tank, manufacturer design is not disassembled. Master can only use the grinding machine to cut the other side of the shelf they have quickly removed because the water tank and the water dispenser as a whole is not welded, so the master can only use the grinding machine to cut it off in this process of cutting. The master, in order to facilitate the subsequent welding, he will through the steady hand to process the cutting surface of the very flat for cleaning this kind of clogged water tank. The masters can only use technology and hard work. They pour the right amount of oxygen through the internal. This way, the oxygen will dissolve the water rust and water stains inside. In order to ensure that the internal can be completely clear, the master will use the steel bars on the house to clean the water pipes. The clogged water pipes are all cleared by the master's hard work. The water has been purified. Then the master will use a high-pressure water gun to wash the surface. The water on the surface will be dissolved with acid. Then the water gun will be used to wash the surface. At this time, the water on the surface has been washed. Then the master only needs to use a brush to clean it again. At this time, the water and the impurities inside the tank are clean. The heat dissipation net on the surface of the tank is also an important position. To ensure that the inside is clean enough, the master will use technology and hard work to soak the tank. Then, he will use high-pressure water gun to repeat the cleaning process. This way, the master can use the new water tank to use normally without having to change the tank. At this time, the master only needs to use the special aluminum welding bar. Through the practice of the master, the water tank is now in the correct position. The repair process is now complete. The water tank is now in the correct position. The water tank is now in the correct position. The water tank is now in the correct position.